Every year, cities and industrial plants worldwide consume huge amounts of energy. But how is this enormous demand generated? And what innovative processes and applications are associated with it today and in the future? Challenges that we, the Meeraner, face every day. Since our foundation in 1862, everything at Meeraner has revolved around energy and its efficient use and recovery. It started with small riveted steam boilers before highly specialized welding techniques brought completely new possibilities for the production of complex pressure parts. Then as now, this acquired experience is the basis of our daily work and a reason why our products are known all over the world. Our headquarters are located in Meeraner in central Germany and have excellent transport connections. Different production halls, storage areas and offices are located on a total area of 86,000 square meters. Here we are dedicated to the planning, consulting, production and pre-assembly of highly resilient pressure parts and components for heat exchange processes, energy conversion, steam generation processes, wasted heat processes and the transport of retention of media such as fluid or gas. Whether modern energy technology, classic power plant construction or plant engineering process, our durable components work reliably in complex plants around the globe. We supply a wide range of industries, from renewable and conventional power generation and thermal recycling to the complex processes of the petrochemical as well as paper and steel industries. In addition, we offer our customers a wide range of individual services. Whether spare parts, assembly, consulting in welding technology or classic contract manufacturing, we dedicate ourselves to your requirements with quality and efficiency. Meeraner also has a long tradition of sharing expertise through its own academy. We offer international customers individual welding courses at the highest level. Valuable knowledge which we convey to our customers and partners in specialized training courses. If there is one word for which we the Meeraner are known worldwide, it is certainly quality. With the help of our accredited test laboratory and its certified employees, we carry out modern tests and comprehensive controls, and thus guarantee our quality promise. We the Meeraner are the result of a long success story. Our strengths are based on outstanding technologies and decades of experience. We manufacture high-quality products, cultivating a tireless spirit of innovation and enormous expertise. All of this has welded us together for over 150 years and prepares us as an experienced team for the challenging tasks of tomorrow. The Meeraner. Quality welds together.